Bonjour à tous, welcome to my channel French with Deepika. So today we are going to start with the new chapter, lesson 1. So let's get started. Let's discuss the answers of the previous one, that is leçon 0. Dites vrai ou faux. Dites vrai ou faux means you have to state whether the given statement is true or false. I hope you have done the answers. So first is Chanel est une voiture. Chanel is a car. No, it's the name of the brand for couturier or perfumers. Next is Paris Orly est un port. Is it a port? Paris Orly? No, it's an airport. So this one is also faux. Third is Victor Hugo est un écrivain français. Oui, c'est vrai. Victor Hugo is a French writer. Fourth is Le Rhône est un fleuve en France. Oui, c'est un fleuve en France. Le Jura est un monument français. C'est faux because it is a mountain, montagne. Le Jura est un montagne. D'accord? Okay? So these are the answers. So now let's move ahead to the next chapter. Leçon 1. Leçon 1 means lesson 1. What is the name of the chapter? La rentrée. La rentrée means when you come back to the school after the vacation. After your vacation, when you come back to the school, that is called la rentrée. Okay? So now if you see the text, what is happening here? 4 friends are talking. So there will be a dialogue also. So let's read first. C'est la première jour de cours. C'est la première jour de cours means it is the first day of the class. Les élèves rentrent. Rentrent means they come back. Les élèves rentrent à l'école après les vacances. So the students come back to the school. Après means after the vacation. Okay? Les élèves rentrent à l'école après les vacances. Now Anish et Manuel, that is these two boys, Anish et Manuel, cherchent leur classe de français. Anish et Manuel cherche means here they are searching, they are looking. Leur classe de français means their class of French, yeah, or French class. Okay. Ils rencontrent Caroline et Nathalie. Ils rencontrent means they meet. They meet. So don't get confused between rentre and rencontre. Rentre means to return, to come back, and rencontre means to meet. So they meet Caroline and Nathalie, these two girls. Now they both, 4 of them are having a conversation. Anish is saying, Salut les amis, ça va? Salut les amis means, hello friends, hi friends, ça va? All okay, all good? Caroline, oui, ça va. Et les vacances? So now Caroline is answering, yes, all good. And the vacations. Now she is talking about vacations. Okay? Anish. Now Anish is saying on un formidable. Means in India, fantastic. Manuel is saying, Nathalie, où sont tes cartables et tes livres? Cartable means bag. Livre means books. So Manuel is asking Nathalie, où sont? Où means where. Where are your bag and the books? So Manuel is asking Nathalie, où sont tes cartables et tes livres? Now Nathalie is saying, mais nous ne travaillons pas aujourd'hui. C'est le premier jour. Je vais à la papeterie ce soir. Nathalie is saying, mais is but. But, no is we. Ne pas means, that means this sentence is in negative. But we do not work today. C'est le premier jour. It is the first day. So, that means according to Nathalie, when it is the first day, we generally don't work or study. Je vais à la papeterie ce soir. That means I am going to the papeterie. Papeterie is the stationery shop. Stationery. So she will go to the stationery shop. Ce soir means this evening. Soir is evening. So mais nous ne travaillons pas aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui is today. So Natali is saying that today we are not going to work. It is the first day and I will go or I am going to the stationery shop at this evening. So then I will buy the bag and the books. Caroline. Now Caroline is asking, vous avez quel cours maintenant? Maintenant means right now. So right now which class do you have? Vous avez quel cours? Cours is class. Maintenant. So you have which class right now? Anish is saying français. That is French. J'adore le cours de français. Et vous? J'adore means love. I love French class or the class of French. So Anish likes or loves French class. And now he is asking Caroline, et vous and you? So Caroline is saying that she has maths class. Maths. Je n'aime pas les maths. N'aime pas, ne pas. That means this sentence is in negative. So I do not like maths. She doesn't like maths class. Manuel et Anish. Now both of them are saying au revoir. Au revoir means bye. And a bientôt. A bientôt is see you soon. See you soon. Au revoir. A bientôt. Caroline and Nathalie, they are also saying a bientôt. Okay. So this is the conversation that they had. Okay. Next is dit, vrai ou faux. That is true and false. First is Caroline et Anish sont dans la même classe. Même class means are they in the same class? Is it true or false? So if you remember the dialogue, Anish has French class and Caroline a maths class. So that means they are not in the same class. So Caroline et Anish sont dans la même classe. Say faux. That is false. It is not true. Next is Nathalie a des livres aujourd'hui. A des livres aujourd'hui. So Nathalie has the books today. So if you remember, she said that she is going to buy them from the stationery shop today evening. So that means she doesn't have the books right now. Next, third is Anish et Manuel cherchent quelque chose. Are they looking for something? So if you remember, they were searching il cherche quelque chose or il cherche le cours de français. So that means vrai. Yes, they were looking for their French class. Next, fourth is la rentrée. C'est le premier jour de l'école après les vacances. So la rentrée means c'est le premier jour de l'école après les vacances. C'est vrai. Yes, it is the first day of the school after the vacation. Okay, so these are the answers. First is faux, second is also faux, third is vrai, fourth is vrai. Now next, second question is coucher la bonne réponse. Coucher means you have to put a cross if the answer is correct. Okay, you don't have to tick, you have to put a cross. Coucher, you have to cross. First is pendant les vacances, Anish va. Pendant means during. So during the vacation, Anish goes to en Angleterre, England, en Inde, India, aux États-Unis. États-Unis is your USA. Okay, so pendant les vacances, Anish va en Angleterre, en Inde, aux États-Unis. So we all know he went to India. Now second is Anish. Now complete the sentence. Adore la cour de français. That means love. Loves. Anish loves the cour de français. Déteste means he hates. La cour de français. N'aime pas means doesn't like. So Anish doesn't like the cour de français. So what is it? The answer is j'adore la cour de français if you remember the dialogue. So Anish आधा और लकूर द फ्रंट से. Next is Caroline Ashet say leave. Now Caroline is going to buy the books. Demain, that is tomorrow. Aujourd'hui, that is today. Hier is yesterday. So Caroline Ashet say leave. Demain, aujourd'hui or hier. She is going to buy the books today evening. So aujourd'hui. Hier is yesterday. Demain is tomorrow. Okay. So that's it for today. We'll continue with the same chapter in the next video to cover the grammar topics. Stay connected. Till then, au revoir, bonne journée.